Welcome to Citratrix. So today I am going to solve a sum from LCM. LCM least common multiples. So I use tricks, shortcut and no formula basis. Today I am going to teach from a sum LCM. The sum is find the least perfect square number which is completely divisible by 56, 60, 84 and 96. The options also given. First, I teach normal method to solve these sums. So first, normal method. So I teach normal method, then after solve the normal method, I teach shortcut the tricks find the answer within 2 seconds. After solve the normal method. So normal method, first find the LCM of 56, 60, 84 and 96. You know very well about L division for LCM. First smallest prime number is 2, so divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 8. 3 2s are 6, 42. 4 2s are 8, remaining 1, 8 2s are. Again divisible by 2. 14, 15, 21, 24. Again divisible by 2. 7 2s are 14, cannot divisible by 2, cannot divisible by 2, divisible by 2, 12. So again divisible by 3. So 7 3 5s are, 7 5s are, 7 3s are, then 4 3s are. Again divisible by 7. 1 7s are 5, 1 7s are 4 7s are. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 5 into 4. 20, 40, 80, 160, 163 are 480, 480, 80 into 7. 480 into 7, 700, 5, 336. LCM 3360. So it's a multiple of. After that, every numbers you divide, it is divisible or not. You find the answer. So 705600. You can divide. This is not divided by 70336. You cannot divide, so no answer. 3336 you cannot divide, so no answer. 3360 cannot divide, can divide. This is cannot divide. This is normal method. If you use this normal method, it take more time. So I am going to teach shortcut method with tricks without formula basis within 2 seconds. Within 2 seconds. Are you ready? Yes. So here common 2 0 cancel. Here common 2 zeros cancel. Here common 2 0 cancel. Here common 2 0 cancel. Now I am going to teach shortcut tricks without formulas. So we cancel common 2 zeros. You know very well 1 square, perfect 1 square 1, unit place. 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 6. This is unit place. 5 square 5, 6 squared 6, 7 squared 49 9, 8 squared 4, 9 squared 1. So 1496, then 1496 is common 5. So if any perfect square number, the unit place should be 14965. 14965. If any perfect square number, if any perfect square number unit place should be 14965. Do you know? If any perfect square number, the unit place should be 14965. Are you clear? Already cancel common two zeros. Here unit place 8. Any perfect square number unit place 8? No, there is no answer. Here unit place 2. Any perfect square number unit place 2? No. Here 6. Any perfect square unit place 6? Yes. This is the answer. Here 2. Any perfect square unit place 2? No. No answer. So the answer is 705600. Are you clear? This is shortcut within 2 seconds. Again, I teach within 2 seconds. You should know this. Any perfect square number unit place is only 14965 only. Again, within 2 seconds. Common 20 cancel. This is unit place 8 is available? No, this is not an answer. Here unit place 2 is available? No, this is not the answer. Here unit place 6, it is available? Yes, this is the answer. Here unit place 2 is available? No, this is the answer. This is not the answer. This is a shortcut method with tricks, without formula basis. Are you clear? This is very, very important. This type of, if you ask this type of sums, you use this type of tricks, definitely we solve within 2 seconds. Are you clear, friends? If you like this sums, please like this video and share to others. So please subscribe our channel Citra Tricks. Thank you friends.